Okay, guys, again, prepare your box, page 367 and 368. We'll do exercises about decimals, adding and subtracting. We are on page 367. We are on page 367, sorry. So prepare your books there, please. Sorry. Yeah, we have vocabulary check. We have a box of concepts, and we will do. We will fill the spaces or the blanks there. So we will start with question 1, and let me have hands here. Yeah. I just want to put my headset. Just give me a second. Okay. Yeah, let's start with Ziad. Ziad Hassan.
Let me start.
Yalla, Ziad. Read the question and let's choose the perfect concept for it.
Let me start.
يلا يا مستر do question 1 الله يسعدك.
That states that you can add numbers in any order.
In any order. What does this mean? This means we can make 2 plus 3 and 3 plus 2. We can make that at the same order and both give the same answer. What we call this, guys? Who can tell me? It's written in the box add. What we call it, Ziad? Do you know? Commutative. We call it property. So question 1, if we add and we switch in adding, we call it commutative property. Copy it, please. Question 2.
Okay.
Question 2. Ibrahim, read Ibrahim.
Okay. When you round a number, you find it's blank.
You find what?
When you round a number, you find it's blank.
No. Oh, it's what?
I mean, like the next, like this line is called blank.
ماشي. What we need? What we will fill it with?
We will fill it with estimation.
Estimate. When we round a number, we find its estimate, right?
Yeah, but it should be written estimation.
No, it's estimate.
Okay.
They wrote it up and down, estimate. Question 3. Zaid. Copy, guys. Copy the answers.
Question 3. The value given to a digit by its position is in a number is its the value given.
What we call it? What?
Place value.
Place value, ممتاز. Like ones, tens, hundreds, we know that. Place value. Depends on the position of the digit. Yes. Question 4. Question 4, guys. Abdullah.
Abdullah has problem with the microphone.
Right. Ahmed Aysar.
Yes, mister.
Yalla ya Ahmed, read the question 4.
Question 4. Okay.
يلا يا ابني.
Okay, sir. Sir.
Oh my God. طيب. لا تجهز كتابك يا أحمد، دير بالك أحمد داوود. حكينا prepare your box and we did 3 questions. Where have you been, يا مستر؟ Read يا ابني.
I am
question
here,
four.
Mister.
Read.
Question 4. 2 is 2 from into and you or restricted
Restructured.
structure, grab or
Group or
group
grouping.
or
What we
group.
call it from the box?
We call it
Regroup. We call it
regroup.
regroup. Regroup. When we take one, if the number up is less than down, remember? When we
Yes.
take a number from the number beside it, we call this idea, we call it regroup. Question
Regroup.
5.
Mister,
Good.
can I
Mister,
read
Yes.
5? Mister, can I read
Do it.
5?
Yalla. Yalla, read.
Subtracting results in finding the between two numbers.
Mhm.
Uh,
When we subtract two numbers, what we are finding?
finding the
Difference. Difference means the answer of the subtraction. Difference. The difference means the answer of the subtraction. Means 5 minus 2 equal 3. What we call it 3 is the difference between 5 and 2. Got it?
okay. Yes, yes.
This is question 5. Question
Thank you.
6. Question 6. Abdul Rahman, read.
State that the sum of any number and 0 equals the number. Identity
What we call ممتاز. Identity
property.
property. يلا. ممتاز. Identity means if you add the 0 to any number, the answer always the same number. So the 0 has no effect on addition. So we call this identity property. ممتاز. Question 7. Sorry. Question 7. Copy guys, copy. Solve the questions, please. Amar Adnan, read.
The states that the way in which number are grouped does not change the sum or product. Associative property.
Mumtaz. If we make 2 plus 3 plus 4, guys, look here. If we want to add 3 numbers, if we add 2 and 3, the answer is 5, with 4 is 9. Or we can say 3 and 4, the answer is 7, with 2 is 9 also. Anyway, you can add these 2 numbers with 2 or these 2 numbers with 4. In addition, has no difference. What we call this? We call it
Associative property.
property. ممتاز. Copy, guys. Question 7. Question 8. In question 8, when computing using actual numbers, you find an what we call it, estimated answer or exact answer? Exact answer. When we are not estimating by rounding and we're finding the answer should be what? The exact, the real answer. These are the first 8 questions in page 367. We fill them. Question 1, commutative probability. Then estimate. Question 3, place value. Question 4, regroup. Question 5, difference. Question 6, identity property. Question 7, associative property. And question 8, exact answer. These are the answers here. Hope you done with copying it. Now let's move to the next page and let's do some exercises there. Round each decimal to the place indicated. Question 9. We want to round. Remember the rounding? Question 9, we have 0.781 to the hundredths. 0.781, comma, hundredths. We want to round. Who can help me here? Who can round this decimal to hundredths? New students, يلا شو نسينا الراوندينج؟ محمد وشلي. يلا يا محمد.
Yes, Mister.
محمد, where is the hundredths here?
The hundredths.
Hmm.
Hundredths is the 7.
لا. 7 is tenths.
Then the 100 is 8.
Is the 8. The hundredths is the 8. Can you round the 8? Do you know how to round?
What, Mister?
راوند يا ابني, راوند. اخذنا الراوند, يلا نسيته. Sorry guys about this noising. Muhammad, are you with me?
Yes.
Do you know how we round, ya Muhammad?
I forgot.
Look here. We take a look to the number beside it. See it? Which is what?
1.
1. Do we add 1 to the 8 or we don't add 1?
We don't add.
We don't add. So the 8 is still 8 and the 1 becomes 0, remember?
Yes.
But this 0 here, no need to write it. This is how we round. We took rounding, guys. We took rounding. Question 10. Thank you, Muhammad. Question 10. Usama.
Yes, Mister.
Hello, Usama. Question 10. What we have?
17.93. Decimal 93.
Hello. What they want to round to
Ones.
which digit, to which place value? To ones. Where is the ones here?
7.
7. Mumtaz. Round the 7. Yalla. How we round the 7?
We will look after it. It's the 9.
So,
The 9 it's bigger than 5. Then the 9 it will be 0 and the 7 it will be 8.
Mumtaz. So we add 1 to the 7. It will be 18. Decimal. These numbers zeros, صح?
Decimal, yeah.
But do we need the decimal with zeros?
No,
So what's the answer?
18.
Only. This is question 10, guys. Let's go to question 11 now. Question 11. We want to round to the nearest tenth, then we add or subtract. Question 11, 17.16 plus 9.01. First, we want to round to the tenths, then we will add or subtract. Let's round first. This is subtraction, not addition. Who can help me here? Yalla. Kinan Husam Ad-Din.
Yes, Mister.
Yalla ya Kinan. What's the first thing we will do? أول شيء اقرأ the question. Read the question.
Round each decimal to the nearest tenth, then add or subtract.
Hello. So the first, we want to round to the tenths, then we will add or subtract, okay?
Yes.
Where is the tenths here?
1.
The 1, right? Round the 1. Yalla, shuf.
We see the before 1 it is 6. We round it to be 2.
So it will be 17 point what?
2.
Minus.
Now it will
Where is the ones here? The tenths, sorry.
be 0.
The tenths.
0.
The 0. It will be what then rounding? Yalla.
9.0.
Which is?
9.0. We,
9 only, right?
yeah.
Yalla. 17.2 minus 9.
17.2 minus 9. It is 8.2.
Mumtaz. 8.2. This is question 11. We round it to the tenths, then we subtract as the question wants. Question 12. We'll do the same idea. We'll round to the tenths, Then we will add or subtract. Question 12, we have 62.84 plus what? 74.2. Who can help me here? First, we will round to the tenths, then we will add. Yahya.
Yes.
Yalla ya Yahya.
The two will be 3 because
No ya mister, لا, read the question. Read the question, Allah يسعدك.
62.8
Read the question I said.
round each decimal to the nearest tenth. Then
Where
add
is the tenth? Where is the tenth?
the 8.
8 is the tenth, not 2. So we don't round the 2, ya mister. Okay?
Okay, the 8 will stay the same, so the number will be 62.8, and the other number, the 2, before we don't have any number after 8, before 8, so
So what it will
stay
be here? 62.8, right? Plus.
plus
What is the
74.2.
tenth? This is the 2. What we have after the 2?
0.
0. We don't have numbers, so it is 0. We add or we don't add?
Don't add.
Yalla, 74.2. Let's add them. How we add the decimals, Yabni? Remember?
We put decimal over decimal.
We put decimal over decimal line and we put the numbers. Yalla. Yalla, add.
8 plus 2 is 10. We'll put the decimal down. 1 plus 2, 3, plus 4, 7, 6 plus 4, 7, 13.
What's the answer? Kabi. This is question 12. Let's do question 13 now. Kabi, question 12, guys, quickly, before we move to question 13. Yalla. Now let's move to question 13. Kareem.
Yes, mister.
Yalla ya Kareem. What we have in question 13?
6.07 plus 1.64.
What's the question, mister? What's the question, mister? What's the question?
Add.
Add. They don't say estimate, then round, and no. This is direct adding. Direct what? Adding. But here, guys, in these questions, we round first, then we add or subtract. Depends on the question always. Question 13, they want us to add directly. What we have in question 13? Say the numbers, Yabni.
6.07
Plus
1.34.
Yalla, add.
7 plus 4, 11. We put 1 and carry 1. 1 plus 0, 1 plus 3, 4. We put the decimal. 6 plus 1, 7. So it will be 7.41.
Good boy. Copy, guys. Question 14. what we have? 6, we have 1.06, 4.89. Osama.
Yes, Mr.
يلا.
Question 14. Yeah. Okay. Plus.
يا ابني يلا.
Yeah. One decimal zero. Okay, you write it. Okay. Yeah.
طول يا حبيبي لا تحكي. يلا.
One.
Add.
Add. 1 plus 4.
What?
Sorry, no. 6 plus
ركز يا ابني ركز يلا add اعمل add اشوف.
6 plus 9.
كم 6 بلس 9 يا مستر؟ لا تضيع وقتي. يلا 6 بلس 9 how much؟
6 plus 9. 10. 16.
ها؟
15.
15. يلا what I will write down here? What I will write up? Tell me.
5.
High 5 1. Then
1 plus 8, it will be 9.
okay. Then
1 plus 4 decimal. We will put
No.
decimal.
أيوة. Then
1 plus 4, it will be 5.
it's easy يا مستر. مالك متوتر؟ ها؟ Easy right?
Yeah.
يلا ممتاز. Copy guys. This is question 13 and 14. Question 15, we need to align the numbers, then we will add them. We have in question 15, 4.15, 20.68. Under the question we will align, then here we will put the answer. Yalla, who can help me with the question 15? I want new students, guys. Malcolm, Muawiyah. Muawiyah.
Yes, Mr.
Yalla ya ibni, question 15.
Okay. 4 decimal 15 plus 20 decimal 62.
Yeah. How will align the numbers?
يعني
ما أخذنا الادنج صح؟ Hello?
Yeah.
مالك? You don't know?
No, I know. Decimal.
Mister, talk with me, talk with me. Allah يسعدك. Do you know or you don't know?
Decimal under decimal.
طيب هاي decimal under decimal. Then
We put 4 and 15.
حلو. ها.
Down we put 20.
Where I will put the zero?
The 0.
This zero, where I will put it يا ابني? Where I will put the zero? I'll put it like this.
No. No.
We put it like this يا ابني. ها هيك. See?
Yes.
يلا. Then what I will do?
We'll add.
No, we put this zero. Add now. يلا.
5 plus 8 equal 13, 3 and up 1. 1 plus 6 equal 4 plus 0 equal 4, 0 plus 2 equal
لا لا
2.
لا لا، لازم تتمرن يا
decimal.
مستر. ايش اسمك انت؟
decimal.
ايش اسمك؟ انت ايش اسمك؟
معاوية. decimal.
معاوية. لا، انت مش فاهم الاديشن يا معاوية؟
No, I understand.
طب مالك؟ تمرن اكثر. اوكي.
decimal and 4 plus 0 equal 4 and 0 plus 2 equal 2.
معاوية, you need to practice more. Okay.
Okay.
If you don't understand the addition, ask me in the revision classes before the final exam. Okay? Yeah. This is question 15, guys. Do the alignment down and addition and put the answer here. بسرعة. Okay, now we'll skip question 16, guys, and we'll go to question 17 down in the subtraction. Question 17, subtract. What we have in question 17? 4.15 minus 1.29. Yalla, who can help me? And you students, where are you? Muhannad.
Yes, mister.
Yalla,
First,
mister.
we will minus 5 minus 9. We can't. We will take from the 1. 1 will be 0. 5 will be 15. 15 minus 9 is 5. Sorry, 6,
Okay.
not 5.
Okay, then.
0 minus 2 we can't. We will take from the 4. 4 will be 3. 0 will be 10. 10 minus 2, 8. Decimal over decimal. 3 minus 1, it is 2.
So the answer is?
2.86.
Mumtaz. Question 18, guys.
He say check. He say we have to check.
13.78 minus 5.41.
Mister, in the question he needs to check.
Ish?
In the question he needs us to check the answer.
Check, but you want to check, you need to add these two numbers. The answer will be the upper number, but it's okay. Question 18.
Okay. مش مشكلة.
يلا. Question 18. Do question 17, guys, and 15, don't forget it. يلا, I'll give you time. يلا. يلا, question 18. رواد.
Yes, Mister.
يلا يا رواد.
Okay.
8 minus 1 equal 7. 7 minus 4 equal 3. We will put the decimal down. 3 minus 5 we cannot. We will take it from the 1. The 1 will be 0. The 3 will be 13. 13 minus 15, 5. Equal 8. The
And
zero
the
will
0
be
comes down, no need. What's the answer?
8.37.
Mumtaz. This is question 18, guys. Now, question 19, we need to align, then subtract. Do question 18. Let's go to question 19 now. 8.3 minus 4.7. Amar Fahd.
Yes, mister.
Yalla, ya Amar. Question 19. What we will do?
We will do the decimal. We put the decimals. Then we put the numbers. Seven minus 3, we don't can, we take from the 8, it will be 7, and 3 will be 13.
We say 3 minus 7, not 7 minus 3. Continue. Yes. 13 minus 7, how much?
13 minus 7, 6.
Mumtaz. Then?
We put the decimal. 7 minus 4, 3.
So the answer is 3 decimal 6. Mumtaz. This is question 19, guys. Do the aligning down, then subtract and put the answer beside it. Let's go to question 20 on the next page. Read Muhannad.
Okay. A family is staying in a hotel for 2 nights. The hotel costs $91.35 a night. About how much will they pay for the hotel? Here he say about, so we will estimate because about
when the question says about, we will estimate, right?
Okay.
Good. Now, what's the each night? How much we pay each night?
$91.35.
35. Good. Dollars.
I
Let's
will make it.
estimate this. We round
I
to
will
what?
estimate to ones.
To ones. This is the one. Round, yalla. It will be what?
Ones. It will be one also 91. Only we no needs for writing the zeros.
No, yes, it will be 91. Good. $91.
And also the another also will say it 91.
Another what?
Say
How many nights we have in the hotel?
two.
2 nights. Each night we will pay about 91. So the first
Yes.
night is 91 and the second night is 91, right?
Yes, it will be 182.
Mumtaz, $182. So the answer about $182. Mumtaz. This is question 20, guys. Copy it, please.
Okay.
Okay, guys, we stopped at this question. We did some exercises, revision exercises about the decimals. Abdul Rahman, stop it. Thank you.